In this video, I'll show you how you may install n8n and host it yourself on your existing server using SPanel. The first thing is to log into the SPanel admin interface and then selecting the account where we would like n8n installed. We'll get to the SPanel user interface and navigate to the Node.js manager, which will allow us to install n8n with a single click. No technical skills are required to install, run, and use n8n in SPanel. You click on the Deploy a new app button, select n8n, and select the subdomain where you would like n8n installed. It is recommended to always install n8n under a subdomain. Then you click on the Deploy button. The n8n installation is started immediately, and it may take up to 10 minutes for the installation to complete. Once it completes, you will have the n8n automation software installed and running on your existing server hosting your website. There we go, the installation just completed. Please note that it may take up to 10 minutes for the installation to complete. So give it 10 minutes. If it takes a little bit longer and doesn't get installed in 3 to 5 minutes, just give it a little bit more time, because it usually takes up to 10 minutes, depending on how powerful your server is and how fast your network is, so that your server may download and install the n8n software. What is n8n? n8n is an automation software platform that allows you to automate virtually any application or service in any business. Basically, it is a platform that will help you build workflows and automate any process in your business and make it much more efficient. You may use n8n without paying a penny because the software itself is free. However, it requires lots of technical skills to get installed and hosted in the right way. That's why we developed this integration in SPanel to allow everyone without any technical skills to install, run, and host n8n on their SPanel server with just a single click, as I demonstrated 2 minutes ago. That's how easy it is. You can install it yourself and give it a try and make your business more efficient.